Okay, so we're going to do a quick review of how to do polynomial division. With polynomial division, there are two methods. There's long division and synthetic division. We're going to cover long division for now, and synthetic division on a later date. Okay, so long division method is set up similarly to standard long division. So let's work this one out. So let's insert an equation to work with. This can be set up in a fraction first, and then we'll put it into standard long division form. Squared plus 2x minus 4, and divide this by x plus 1. So with polynomial division, we always tend to have a trinomial and a binomial, or two trinomials or two binomials. The first step is always to see if any of these can be factored nicely. So let's see. Factors are 4 that add the 2 when they're both negative. So that's 4 and 1, so that'd give me a 3, or 2 and 2, which would give me a 0. So the top, or the numerator, cannot be factored, and the bottom cannot be factored either. So now we're going to change this into, let me draw this out, setup. So I get x plus 1 on the outside, and the numerator goes inside the house. So we get x squared plus 2x minus 4. Okay, with this division, since I have two terms on the outside, I have to go to two terms on the inside. So this first space is empty. I'm going to start here. I want to find the number multiplied by the first to equal this number on the bottom. So what times x is x squared? Well, that's just x. So x times x is x squared. X times 1 is just 1x. And now I subtract. X squared minus x squared, well, that's 0. 2 minus 1 is just 1. And just like normal division, I bring this next number down, negative 4. Okay, now do the same process again. I want to know what times x can get me x. Well, that's just positive 1. So again, that's x, and then plus 1. Now again, I subtract. 1 minus 1, well, that's 0. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So this number here is my remainder. So what I do with the remainder afterwards, there's two ways I can do that. I can either just write remainder, negative 5. Or I can actually write out this as a new expression. So it would be x plus 1 plus negative 5 over the denominator of my original fraction, x plus 1. And that is how we do polynomial division using long division method. Hope this was helpful. I do hope to hear from you again soon. Thank you. Have a good day.